What's up, what's up, my mind your money business people? It's me yet again with another video on today's stock market, which looked good for some stocks, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, but not so good for others, like Nvidia. But today, Dow leaps 400 points to fresh high as Wall Street cheers President-elect Trump's pick of Scott Bessent. I hope I pronounced his name right? He picked him for the Treasury Secretary. So let's get into it. So U.S. stocks rose on Monday as small caps rallied near new highs and the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose more than 400 points. Amid a broad sense of optimism over President Trump's choice, Scott Bessent for Treasury Secretary. Yeah, I think the Dow, either way, the Dow increased 0.9% to close at a new record. The S&P 500 rose 0.3%, while tech-heavy NASDAQ rose 0.3%, despite Nvidia falling over 4%. The Russell 2000 up 1.6% and also closed a whisker off a record high. It did not an intraday high. So stocks kicked off a holiday shortened week with more of an upbeat mood that lifted the gauges to weekly wins. Markets will shut down on Thursday for Thanksgiving holiday and close early on Friday. So Trump tapped Bessent, viewed as the investor favorite for the pick for Treasury, late Friday evening after a surprisingly drawn-out process that saw Canada's stocks seem to rise and fall by the day. Bessent's nomination has seemed to at least temporarily calm nerves over the president-elect's inflationary agenda, with the benchmark 10-year Treasury yield dipping back under 4.3%. On the inflationary front, the Fed will get its preferred look at the picture heading into Trump's term with Wednesday's release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index. Economists expect a tick up in core PCE, which is closely watched by the central bank. Meanwhile, Bitcoin was in search of a milestone $100,000 per coin level amid a near 50% surge over the past month. It was back down below 95,000 on Monday, however. So yeah, Nvidia did not do so great. I believe Apple has regained, the top spot as far as the most valued company in the United States with a market cap of 3.5 trillion, because with the loss Nvidia took today, it's down to a market cap of 3.331 trillion. It's like it lost a lot of money. So there was a volume of I don't have my calculator, but it lost a lot of money. It's lost almost $200 billion today. Almost. I'm not sure. I can't remember what the market cap was. I want to say the market cap was 3.5 something trillion dollars on Friday, and now it's down to 3.3. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the company, but what I see is the same thing that happened the last time it gave its earnings report. The exact same thing happened. The stock started to go in the opposite direction. Then it went up, then it went down, then it went up, then a report came out. Inflation report, something came out, and then it went back down. It went down to almost $90, and then month of November we're up to 140. I think the highest Nvidia has gotten is 150 something. Either way, it's down. The bad boy closed at $136.02. And it's not looking so great after market either. So it may go down again tomorrow. So it's like, why is it down? You know, I do know that there are a lot of people betting against Nvidia. There's a lot of options, like I've heard but can't confirm, like $300 billion betting against the stock. Like here's an article that was posted, but this was from yesterday. Well, no, it says Nvidia stock dropped Monday amid reports that a company executive had met with Chinese officials. Really? I found this on Barron's website, barrons.com. So it says Nvidia stock dropped Monday amid reports that a company executive had met with Chinese officials. Shares in the semiconductor manufacturer, which have tripled in value over the past year, declined 4.2% to $136.02. The stock has retreated since last week's earnings, even though the results exceeded Wall Street's expectation. So why would the stock fall? Because it met with Chinese officials. No one said anything. There was no reports of problems or treason. I don't know. It said the challenge for Nvidia now is living up to the market's incredibly high expectations for future earnings. So, okay, Wall Street expects 54% revenue growth in 2025. So in a sign that China remains an important market for the chip maker, despite President-elect Donald Trump's plans to escalate trade tensions, Nvidia head of worldwide field operations Jay Puri met with China's vice commerce minister in Beijing on Monday. Tim Cook, CEO of tech peer Apple, is also visiting the world's second biggest economy, showing up at a conference on supply chains, the South China Morning Post reported. So Apple stock didn't go down. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay. But Barron is reporting that the stock dropped amid reports that a company executive met with Chinese officials. So I'll leave it at that, because I'm not an expert. I'm not an expert. Oh, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Any and all information on my channel and in these videos are for entertainment purposes only and reflects my personal opinion. So please consult with the financial advisor before you invest any of your money into the stocks that I talk about. But yeah. All right, so I'm going to end this video. So like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Let me know what you think, if you think anything at all. Hopefully the market will look better tomorrow for Nvidia. If not, maybe Apple is going to take a dive as well, since Tim Cook is also visiting China. So should Apple stock go down like Nvidia's stock? We'll see. All right, you guys take care. Peace.